you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here in our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. Today we're opening up the two My Paper Box subscriptions. So we have the My Paper Box Mini and then the Grand My Paper Box for June. You know, I actually recorded this video last month and then I accidentally deleted it, so that is why there was not a video then, but I'm going to try my best not to delete any footage this month because that's a bummer. So My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription, and the two boxes are different. The mini box is $10 and you get 3 personalized notepads, and the Grand box is $28 a month and you get a bunch of different stuff all based on a theme. You can either choose to get your box every month or every other month. I love that they provide that option, because if you're feeling a little overwhelmed with getting stationery every single month, you can just go to bi-monthly and you can save a little bit of money too. So today, how about we start off with the mini box. So I keep saying mini box, but mini subscription. It comes in a mailer bag. It's always so cute. So on here it says, "Hello, fellow stationery addict." Of course, we'll link My Paper Box down in the description box. Also, if you guys have not yet entered my 9,000 subscriber giveaway that ends in like about a week or so, that will be linked at the end of this video. It's a big thank you to my subscribers. You guys are the best. But inside, there's a little note, and then we have our notepads, and I can tell I'm gonna like this month. It says, "Welcome to June. Join us for fresh drinks. The longest day of the year is the summer solstice, which takes place on June 20th. So bring out the lawn chairs and enjoy the sun. Make today extra special by squeezing some fresh lemonade, making fresh tea, or enjoy some ice cold water. What is your favorite summertime drink?" Am I allowed to say margarita? Because I'm going out for margaritas in like an hour, so that's why it's on my mind. But this is a cute card I was reading from. And here are 3 notepads. So the first one says ice cold water, and then it says Kitty, because again, everything is personalized in this subscription. When you sign up, you get to choose the name that will be on all of your stationery. So if you gift it, you can put the recipient's name, or if it's for yourself, treat yourself, you can put yours. This is so cute. This one says fresh lemonade, 50 cents, and then there's some lemonade on the bottom. I love that. So cute. So this has some lines on it. This is perfect for just like jotting down like to-do list, grocery list, really whatever you want. And then the last one says fresh tea. And this one is blank, so yeah, you can obviously use these notepads whatever way you want, but I think they are so cute this month. So let's get started on the Grand box now. You can see it on the Grand subscription, even the outside packaging is personalized. And it is just so cute. This is what it looks like when you open it up. It says, "Hello, sunshine," and then everything is wrapped up in some tissue paper. So we have a little card here, and it says, "Hello, June," and it gives you some tips to get the most out of this month. It says, "This month was inspired by the sunset, the warmth, the colors, and the joy it brings. This month has some fun days. June celebrates Best Friends Day." I think that was just the other day. Father's Day and summer solstice. The solstice marks the onset of summer at the time of the longest day, June 21st in the northern hemisphere and December 22nd in the southern hemisphere. Solstice, Latin solstitium, I should know that, I took honors Latin for 4 years, means sun stopping, because the point where the sun appears to rise and set stops and reverses direction after this day. Included are any cards that can be used for various holidays this month or any time. Use them for birthdays, Best Friends Day, life events, or to say I miss you. Best Friends Day was just yesterday. Wait, what's the date today? Yeah, June 8th. June 8th is my dad's birthday. And that talks more about the items inside. And one thing I love about the Grand subscription is that they tell you about all the special dates in the month. So today I'm filming on June 9th. Oh, there's nothing today. Let's see what the next date is. So June 12th is Red Rose Day, and then it gives you a little description and ways you can celebrate. June 13th is Sewing Machine Day. June 14th is Bourbon Day. June 14th is Flag Day. 15th is the Natural Photography Day. June 17th is Eat Your Vegetables Day. I just have to read these all now. June 18th is International Picnic Day and International Panic Day. Interesting. Juneteenth. Oh, that's June 19th. And then World Juggling Day is the 20th. Father's Day, that's an important one to remember. June 21st. I feel like it's later this month. Maybe it's just me. But June 24th is Swim and Lap Day. Oh, and then 25 is Please Take My Children to Work Day. That's funny. I bet a lot of parents are feeling that way after everything going on, but I love them. And then the first items I see in here, it looks like we have some cards. So the first one says Hip Hip Hooray. And all the cards always come with envelopes. And Hip Hip Hooray, and it is blank on the inside, so you could use it for whatever you want. On the back, it's personalized and it says Card by Kitty. Here's the next card. Let's get it out of the packaging. It looks like there might be two in here. Yep. The first one says, This calls for a celebration. Look how fun and colorful that is. And on the inside it says, This day was made just for you, Kitty. And again, on the back of all the cards, it'll say Card by Kitty. And then Happy Day of the Fathers. So Father's Day card here. And then it says something on the inside. It says, Without me, this day would just be another day. You're welcome, Kitty. That's funny. I should send that one. And then here's a little bag full of notepads, it looks like. This one says Fearless Goal Getter. I like the colors. Ooh, it has like palm trees. I love this. Perfect summer vibes. Looks like we have some more cards here. Ooh, and this one said Good Vibes. I'm all about the good, positive vibes. Or I try to be. And on the inside it says Sending Good Vibes Your Way. And then the next card says there are like a lot of hugs in here. Wow, there really are a lot of hugs in there. Sent with Hugs Kitty. That's cute. See how it says hugs everywhere? That's adorable. And then we have multiple stickers here. Looks like they say my name. Oh, am I showing you them all upside down? And then every single month you get a calendar. So when you first subscribe, you'll get a frame and you put this in every single month. It's two sides. So this first side will list all of the special holidays that we talked about earlier. But if you don't want that, you can just have it be the calendar. And then we have something here that says put a button on it, Fearless Goal Getter button. Oh, and then there's a Dolphin Keychain. Love dolphins. Seriously never gets old seeing dolphins. Like here in Florida, I get excited every single time. Oh, and look, we have like a little stand here. You could use this to hold up your calendar as well. Cool. Let me show you. So it's a little heart, so you can slide this in. I'll show you how. So you can just hold it up like this. I'll leave this on my desk right here. Cute. And then looks like we have a couple more stickers. This one says Hello Sunshine. And the next one does as well. So you can use these however you want. You can even like use them to steal your cards you're sending out if you want. And it looks like we might have like a little trinket tray here. And it says Gold Digger, and it's bright and colorful. This is by Studio O, it says on the back. A trinket dish. Yeah. This is super cute. And that is everything from both boxes, but that was a grand subscription. So I think this is super cute. I always think this is a great subscription. If you love like making lists like I do and love stationery, sending snail mail to your loved ones, I think you will love this subscription. Again, I will link them down below. I would love to know your thoughts. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!